don't know anything about it. Does anyone here know something about this village?
Me! I can tell you things about this village. Come on. What's your name?
Oh my God! My name is Lara Hosking. What's yours?
I'm Núria Moreno. Let's start a tour around Cebrià. What do you want to see first? The nature or the village?
I'm gonna say nature!
Okay. Let's start.
Wait for me!
This is the river from Cebrià.
Yes, I mean, it's full of water, just like the River Thames, so, yes.
Well, here doesn't rain a lot, so there's no water. Well, as you can see, this is surrounded by a forest. If you want, we can go there.
Whoa, that's an awesome idea! Yeah!
This is the best part of Cebrià, the forest.
Let's go to the forests of Cebrià.
Now we're near another one. But wait a moment. Look, there are some horses.
Wow, I love horses.
This is the forest from the outskirts of Cebrià.
Wow, what an amazing view.
Now we finish with nature. Let's go on a walk through the village.
Okay, that's fine, but wait for me. What does Ayuntamiento mean?
Ajuntament is a Catalan word and it means the council.
Wow, this building is pretty cool.
Oh yes, it's one of the oldest houses from Cebrià. It's called Cancoris. This is one of the bakeries from Cebrià. It's called Caramel. This is Camardi, one of the most popular supermarkets of Cebrià.
Wow, this is a really nice shop.
This was the school I went to when I was younger. It's called Alpigros.
Jesus Christ, it looks like a prison.
This is the most popular park of Cebrià. It's called El Parc Puigverd.
I really like the other park, but I prefer this one.
We have finished. I hope you like this place.
Oh, of course I like it. I'll definitely come again.
Bye, Lara.
Bye, until... Never mind.